Have you ever felt like someone close to you doesn't really care about you? You're not the only one. Many people feel this way too. In this video, we'll show you 10 signs that someone doesn't value you, and more importantly, how you can stand up for yourself. Make sure to watch till the end because the last tip could help you. If you relate to this, type "I deserve better" in the comments. Let's support each other. Let's get started. Number 10. They don't respect your boundaries. Boundaries are like personal rules that help you feel safe and respected. They can be about your time, space, feeling. For example, you might set a boundary by asking someone not to call you late at night because you need your sleep. If they keep calling late anyway, they're not respecting your boundary. Or if you need some quiet time to relax, but they keep pushing you to hang out, they're ignoring what you need. When someone doesn't respect your boundaries, it can make you feel uncomfortable and stressed. It's important to let them know how you feel. You could say something like, "I really need my space during certain times of the day. Can we agree to respect that?" If they care about you, they'll understand and try to respect your wishes. But if they keep crossing your boundaries, it might be time to think about whether this person is good for you. You deserve to feel safe and comfortable with the people around you. In healthy relationships, both people respect each other's boundaries. It's okay to remind someone of your boundaries if they forget, but if they keep ignoring them, it's a sign they might not value you as much as you deserve. Boundaries help you maintain your well-being, so don't be afraid to stick to them. Remember, you have the right to set boundaries and expect others to respect them. Number 9. They don't show appreciation. Everyone likes to feel appreciated. When someone values you, they'll thank you for the things you do and notice the efforts you make. For example, if you help them with a project or listen to them when they're feeling down, you expect some kind of appreciation. But if they never say thank you or act like your help doesn't matter, it can make you feel like you're not important to them. Showing appreciation is more than just saying thanks. It's a way of showing that they notice and value what you do. If you feel unappreciated, it's important to talk to them about it. You could say, "I feel like I'm doing a lot, but I don't get much appreciation in return. Can we talk about it?" If they value you, they'll start to show more appreciation for what you do. But if they keep acting like your efforts don't matter, it might be a sign that they don't value you as much as you deserve. It's important to be with people who appreciate you and recognize your effort. When you feel appreciated, it makes the relationship stronger and makes you feel good about yourself. Don't be afraid to ask for the appreciation you deserve. You work hard and give a lot, so it's only fair that others recognize that. If they don't, it might be time to think about whether this relationship is right for you. Number 8. They often make you feel guilty. Guilt tripping is when someone makes you feel bad to get you to do something or to make you feel responsible for their problems. For example, if they say things like, "You really cared about me, you do this," or "It's your fault, I'm unhappy," they're using guilt to control you. This can make you feel overwhelmed and trapped, like you can't do anything right. When someone uses guilt against you, it shows that they're not respecting your feelings. Healthy relationships are built on honesty and respect, not guilt or manipulation. If you feel like you're being guilt-tripped, it's important to talk about it. You could say, "I don't like feeling guilty about things that aren't my fault," and we try to communicate more honestly. If they care about you, they'll try to be more understanding and stop using guilt to get their way. Guilt tripping can be very harmful to your mental health. It's important to stand up for yourself and not let someone else control you through guilt. You deserve to be in relationships where you feel supported and respected, not manipulated. If they keep making you feel guilty, it might be time to rethink the relationship. You deserve to be with people who lift you up, not bring you down. Number 7. They don't include you in important decisions. In any relationship, it's important to be included in decisions that affect both of you. For example, if you're in a relationship and your partner decides to move to a new city without talking to you first, it can make you feel left out and unimportant. Being excluded from important decisions can hurt because it shows that they don't value your opinion. When someone doesn't include you in decisions, it can feel like they don't respect you or think your opinion matters. It's important to speak up if this happens. You might say, "I'd like to be included in decisions that affect us both. And we discuss things together." If they value you, they'll make sure to include you in future decisions. But if they keep making decisions without you, it might be a sign they don't respect you as much as you thought. Being included in decisions is a sign that someone values your thoughts and feelings. It shows that they see you as an equal partner in the relationship. If you're always left out, it might be time to think about whether this relationship is fair to you. You deserve to be with people who see you as a partner and include you in decisions that affect both of you. Number 6, they don't make time for you. Spending time together is a big part of any relationship. If someone cares about you, they'll make time to be with you, even if they're busy. But if someone is always too busy to see you, cancels plans often, or doesn't try to spend time with you, it can make you feel like you're not important to them. Everyone has busy times. Someone who values you will still find ways to spend time with you. If you feel neglected, it's important to talk about it. You might say, "I miss spending time together. Can we plan something soon?" If they care about you, they'll make an effort to be with you. But if they keep being unavailable, it might mean they're not as interested in the relationship as you are. It's important to be with people who make time for you and show that you're a priority in their life. When someone consistently makes time for you, it shows that they value the relationship and want to keep it strong. But if they keep canceling or not showing up, it might be time to think about whether they're really committed. You deserve to be with people who make time for you and show that you're important to them. Number 5, they don't respect your opinions. In a healthy relationship, both people listen to and respect each other's opinions. This means hearing each other out, even if you don't always agree. But if someone often ignores your opinions, talks over you, or makes you feel like your ideas don't matter, it can be really frustrating. Respecting each other's opinions is important because it shows that you value each other's thoughts and feelings. If you feel like your opinions are being ignored, it's important to talk about it. You could say, "I feel like my ideas aren't being considered. Can we have a more balanced conversation?" They value you, they'll listen to your opinions and take them into account. But if they keep dismissing your ideas, it might mean they don't respect you as much as you thought. It's important to be in relationships where your opinions are valued and listened to. When someone respects your opinions, it shows that they care about what you think and see you as an equal partner. But if they keep ignoring or dismissing your ideas, it might be time to think about whether this relationship is right for you. You deserve to be with people who respect your thoughts and listen to what you have to say. Number 4, they don't celebrate your successes. Celebrating each other's successes is a key part of any supportive relationship. When someone values you, they'll share in your happiness and celebrate your achievement. But if someone seems uninterested or doesn't acknowledge your successes, it can make you feel unsupported and unimportant. Celebrating successes together helps strengthen your bond and shows that you care about each other's happiness. If someone doesn't celebrate your achievements, it might mean they don't value your happiness as much as you'd like. It's important to let them know how you feel. You could say, "I would love to celebrate my successes with you. It means a lot to me when we share these moments." If they care about you, they'll show more support and enthusiasm for your successes. But if they stay indifferent, it might be a sign they're not as invested in your happiness as you are in theirs. Being with someone who celebrates your successes makes the relationship stronger and more fulfilling. When you share in each other's joy, it brings you closer together and shows that you're both committed to each other's well-being. If someone isn't celebrating your achievements, it's important to talk about it and see if they can be more supportive. You deserve to be with people who are genuinely happy for you and celebrate your victory. Number 3, they make you feel like you're not good enough. One of the most painful signs that someone doesn't value you is when they make you feel like you're not good enough. They might criticize you often, compare you to others, or make you feel like you're always falling short. This can hurt your self-esteem and make you doubt yourself. Feeling like you're not good enough can make you feel insecure and unhappy in the relationship. It's important to remember that you deserve to be with people who make you feel good about yourself. If someone is constantly putting you down, it's important to talk about how their words affect you. You could say, "I don't like it when you compare me to others or criticize me often. It makes me feel bad about myself." If they care about you, they'll try to be more positive and supportive. But if they keep making you feel like you're not good enough, it might be time to think about whether this relationship is healthy for you. You deserve to be with people who lift you up and make you feel confident. A healthy relationship should make you feel valued and appreciated, not insecure and unworthy. If someone is making you feel like you're not good enough, it's important to consider whether they're truly valuing you for who you are. You deserve to be with people who see your worth and appreciate you just the way you are. Number 2, they only reach out when they need something. Another sign that someone doesn't value you is when they only reach out to you when they need something. They might ignore you most of the time, but suddenly contact you when they need help, advice, or a favor. This can make you feel used and unimportant, like they only care about what you can do for them. When someone only reaches out when they need something, it shows that they're not valuing you as a person, but rather as a means to an end. It's important to set boundaries and not let yourself be taken advantage of. You could say, "I feel like you only contact me when you need something. I'd like our relationship to be more balanced." If they value you, they'll try to reach out more often just to check in or spend time with you. But if they keep using you, it might be a sign that they don't truly care about you as a person. It's important to be with people who value you for who you are, not just for what you can do for them. A healthy relationship is balanced and mutual, where both people give and receive support. If someone is only reaching out when they need something, it's important to consider whether this relationship is fair to you. You deserve to be with people who appreciate you for who you are, not just for what you can offer. Number 1, they don't respect your feelings. The most important sign that someone doesn't value you is when they don't respect your feelings. This can show up in many ways, such as dismissing your emotions, making fun of your concerns, or not taking your feelings seriously. When someone doesn't respect your feelings, it can make you feel invisible and unimportant. Respecting each other's feelings is a cornerstone of any healthy relationship. If someone doesn't take your feelings into account, it's important to address it. You could say, "I feel hurt when my feelings are dismissed. It's important to me that we respect each other's emotions." If they value you, they'll listen and try to be more considerate of your feeling. But if they keep ignoring or dismissing your emotions, it's a clear sign that they don't respect you as much as they should. You deserve to be in relationships where your feelings are valued and respected. A healthy relationship is one where both people take each other's emotions seriously and work together to support each other. If someone isn't respecting your feelings, it's important to think about whether this relationship is right for you. You deserve to be with people who respect and care about your emotions. Remember, you deserve to be valued. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts. We're here to support each other. Thanks for watching.